Reliability and scalability are fundamental qualities in enterprise software, shaping how organizations operate and grow. Reliable systems ensure that critical business functions run smoothly without unexpected interruptions, minimizing downtime and protecting productivity. Scalability, on the other hand, allows software to handle increasing workloads as a company expands, adapting seamlessly to changing demands. Together, these attributes support long-term success by enabling organizations to deliver consistent services and respond effectively to growth opportunities. Without reliability and scalability, businesses risk operational disruptions and limitations in their ability to compete in a dynamic market. Software stability relies on several key engineering principles. A robust architecture provides a solid foundation, allowing systems to handle changes and unexpected events gracefully. Thorough testing helps identify and resolve potential issues before they reach users, ensuring reliability. Effective monitoring enables teams to detect and address problems in real time, maintaining consistent performance. Together, these practices create resilient software that meets the demands of modern users. Protecting enterprise systems from threats and vulnerabilities requires a comprehensive approach to security. Organizations often implement multi-layered defenses, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular software updates to guard against unauthorized access. Best practices also involve strong password policies, employ training on recognizing phishing attempts, and routine security audits to identify potential weaknesses. By combining technical safeguards with proactive policies, enterprises can significantly reduce their risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. Staying informed about emerging threats and adapting security strategies is essential for maintaining robust protection. Building scalable systems requires careful planning and the adoption of effective strategies. Modular design allows components to be developed and updated independently, making it easier to expand or modify the system as needs evolve. Load balancing distributes workloads across multiple resources, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring consistent performance even as user demand increases. Leveraging cloud infrastructure provides flexibility and scalability, enabling organizations to adjust resources on demand. Together, these approaches help ensure that systems can support long-term growth and adapt to changing requirements. In summary, the integration of key engineering principles forms the foundation of reliable and scalable enterprise software. By emphasizing modular design, robust testing, and efficient resource management, organizations can ensure their systems remain resilient and adaptable to changing demands. These principles work in harmony to reduce downtime, facilitate maintenance, and support future growth. Ultimately, their combined application enables businesses to deliver consistent performance and meet the evolving needs of users and stakeholders.